Christmas from the Soul Sister channel. My name is Kat. Thank you for joining me today on December 25th. I have your astrological forecast going through Saturday, January 31st. It's the last part of the year. Today we're celebrating Christmas. Tomorrow is the beginning of Kwanzaa as well as Boxing Day. So the celebration hasn't stopped quite yet. Today, on Sunday the 25th, as I teased last week, it's a great day to spend with family and friends, enjoying the camaraderie, the closeness, the presence, all the joys of the season. And then this week, I want to talk to us about a word called balsamic. Now, we've heard of balsamic vinegar, but balsamic is a phase. It's also considered a waning crescent phase of the moon. Lunarly, in the lunar world, we have the phases of the moon. Balsamic phase is that last phase before the new moon. Currently, we are in the balsamic phase of a 2,000-year energy cycle that is taking us out of the Piscean era and into the Aquarian era. And the Piscean era was all about authority and looking to someone else to help you find your way, to give you the rules and the regulations. With this incoming Aquarian energy, it's going to be all inclusive. We finally understand that we are all one as a humanity, that we are all connected energetically, physically, astrally. We are all connected, whether we want to agree with it or not. And once we understand this, then our decisions, our work, and our life becomes more in line with the perspective of all of us and of service. So, we're going from where someone is the authority to where we are responsible for ourselves and how we share and contribute to everyone else. In a nutshell, the reason I'm bringing this up is because I want to talk about this balsamic phase. We are in the balsamic phase of our year. We're at the very end of our annual year. And this week, we'll have all the festivities today. We're excited. But especially Monday and Tuesday this week, I want us to be very aware of our feelings. In the balsamic phase, we review and we release. So we are going to feel maybe melancholy, maybe regretful. We are going to experience these feelings, especially at the beginning of the week. We are not to run away from these feelings. We need to observe them and work with them, because it is in this phase at the end of this week that we're looking at our lives and what works, what doesn't work. How are we giving our power away? How can we honor ourselves better and others better? Where did we really screw up? Where do we have to make amends? This can get us in a very depressed emotional state unless we know what the energy is about. And the energy is about resolution and letting go. So this week, don't let the emotional abyss grab us and pull us down. No, let's look at any kind of emotional negativity that creeps in to our minds and hearts. It's going to happen. We all have unresolved issues. But if we can look at it objectively, we can see the origin of these and what we need to do. There's also a balsamic phase. I just had my birthday December 18th. And I also notice, especially for that month before our birthdays every year, look out for the same feeling. It's the balsamic phase of our birth year, and the energy is there to help us resolve, release, and renew. So not only is it what we're experiencing the week ahead, but we want to see how this energetic phase works in the rest of our lives. And we experience it every month right before the new moon. So take a look at it, experience this week. I want us to get the feel of the balsamic energy, of the energy of resolution, of letting go, of renewal. Take a look at that, and don't let our emotions get the best of us. Let our emotions be our signals, be our, hey, you need to pay attention, and just don't let them get the best of us. Now, that is the whole flavor of the week. However, Wednesday and Thursday, you guys, last week we had this little energetic connection for new romance. It's back. May not be unexpected out of the blue if we experienced it last week, but Wednesday and Thursday, the energy is there for a new relationship. So make sure that we are aware, we're paying attention. It might be a little different than we're familiar. It might be a little different from what we are accustomed to. There's the word. But don't throw the baby out with the bathwater. And then on Thursday, not only is the romantic energy connection there, also very physical, very sexual, very passionate. So if you're looking for a heck of a date night, I would suggest Thursday. Well, Wednesday for the first date, Thursday for the second date. Oh my. Anyway, so look for that Wednesday and Thursday. Now, I would love to tell you, well, I guess Saturday, New Year's Eve, is a great date night. It's a great, not really a date night, but a night to be close with our honey bun. Energy not there for us to go out and party, folks. So if we're going out to the New Year's Eve parties tonight on January 31st, New Year's Eve, please remember to be balanced and not indulge in too much of anything. Also, the world out there kind of cranky for a New Year's Eve. So we might run into a couple of tiffs or disagreements. And so the energy is there for a close-knit party with friends at the house, watching some fireworks out in the front yard or wherever, of just hanging out close to home with our partner, our new love interest, and keeping it close to the vest. As I said, we can go out, but if we go out, let's remember that it's not conducive for fun and frivolity. People are a little bit cranky, and so people are going to have a tendency to overdo and then poo. Then it's not a good night for anyone. So that's the week ahead. Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Boxing Day. It's also the end of Hanukkah this week. The Christmas on the 25th today on Sunday is going to be awesome with family, friends. Get some awesome presents, some great food. We're going to have fun. And then that leads us into a week of internal review, at looking within ourselves. What worked this year? What didn't work? What do I need to let go of, really? I know I have a few things in my life. I've experienced it right before my birthday, and now I'm still experiencing and really taking a look at some relationships and some habits that I really need to release myself from. So I'm right there along with you guys. I'm right with you. So take the time and really look at it. Look at what is motivating us to stay in a relationship or in a situation that is not helping us grow and learn and evolve. So that's our task for the week. Don't let the emotions get the best of us. Use them for what they're there for. Signals that we need to look a little bit deeper. And then Wednesday and Thursday, love is in the air. Oh, 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 maybe it's this time that we're gonna hook up with someone very special, and it will be a committed relationship because we're dealing with Capricorn energy, very earthy, grounded, very into commitment. So that's Wednesday and Thursday. And then Saturday, just have a close-knit New Year's party at home and enjoy our partner, friends, family, small gathering, and then we can keep ourselves out of any trouble that may come up. All right, so let's start the week with our 3 deep cleansing breaths, and then we're going to say our Sun in Capricorn affirmation this week. So let's begin by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from this physical etheric body. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from this emotional astral body. Good. Let's take one more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity, all the toxicity, all the nastiness flowing out of our body and flowing away. In its place, we're being filled with this incredible light made up of light, love, and goodwill. We might want to see it as golden triangles in white light filling our entire bodies. We see this energy filling our entire body. Not only does it fill our bodies, but it's protecting us, protecting our physical, etheric, emotional, astral, mental bodies, both higher and lower, protecting it all from any evil, low vibration, all negativity, which is being deflected off our energy. Now, while we are in this space of white light, connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Capricorn affirmation. I work to make my outer world a reflection of my true, authentic self and my purpose, my life work. We'll say the affirmation together, and then we'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say our Sun in Capricorn affirmation. I work to make my outer world a reflection of my true, authentic self and my life purpose, my life work. Good. And as we work this week, keep our Sun in Capricorn affirmation close this week. As we reflect on making our outer world a reflection of who we are and what we love to do, we have to make some adjustments. And this week ahead is our opportunity to adjust, renew, release anything that doesn't help us fulfill this affirmation. So keep that in the back of our heads. Also keep our 3 deep cleansing breaths in our back pocket for when we're out on New Year's Eve and someone goes nuts because they've had way too much to drink. Anyway, come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily oracle messages. And if you like what you see on the Soul Sister channel, please like, subscribe, and share. Trying to get the word out that we create our own reality, and if we can understand energy and recognize it, we can start manipulating it to create the life we want. It all happens right here. Have a wonderful holiday. Reflect, do our internal inventory. Be open to any new relationship that might be on our horizon. And have a safe, balanced New Year's Eve. Life is lived from the inside out. Namaste.